It melts in your mouth and you never want to stop doing it. In a container, add 100 grams of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1/4 of condensed milk, one spoon and a half of butter, and now with your hands we will stir all this very well. This is the ideal point of the dough. Now take a small amount and start modeling. That's perfect. Now just move onto a greased form with butter. With the help of a fork, press over and repeat the process on all balls. Once that's done, bake at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Our cookie is ready. To get even better, soak in a melted chocolate. Here I'm using dark chocolate. If you prefer, you can decorate the cookie in this way. And look how amazing the cookie melts in your mouth. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.